Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial video is all about how you can sign up for a online bank account on dollar.bank. Dollar.bank is a full-service regional bank servicing both individuals and business customers that offers personal and business banking, checking mortgages, loans, investing, credit cards and many more. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and searching for a dollarbank.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of dollar.bank, you scroll to the little town. Here at the right panel, you can see login to online banking, where you need to provide your account credential, then click on login, where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of dollar.bank. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on the link given, that is sign up. Now here you go in for reading the information or the disclosure and consent by the dollar.bank. Then you scroll to the little town, then you click on accept. Now here for the enrollment in the online banking of dollar.bank, you need to provide a few details. At first you provide your first name. Then you go in for providing your last name. Then you go in for providing your social security number. Then you go in for providing your birth date, that is your date of birth. Then you go in for providing your email address. Here, after providing all the details, you need to click on submit, where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to create a new online banking account on dollar.bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for a online banking account on dollar.bank. Thank you.